This is Huel. This thing is one of the most consumed meal replacement products in the world. Now, today I'm going to give you my opinion as to whether it's good for you or not.
How does a food go from being merely good for you to achieving full-fledged superfood status?
What are your superfoods?
So what are superfoods?
The absolute healthiest foods that you should be eating.
This is the most nutrient-dense food that you can find.
Superfoods.
Superfoods.
But are you eating the right superfoods?
Superfoods. Now we've got superfoods.
Superfood.
The word superfood is not regulated, right? So any marketer can call a food a superfood?
Now, if I told you that over 500,000 meals are consumed on a daily basis, in fact, some people consume it twice a day, you'd think that I was talking about something like eggs or steak or something substantial that is good for humans. But I'm not. I'm talking about Huel. You see, this is a chemical concoction. What you don't know is that over 150 countries actually consume this, and it's sold in over 25,000 stores worldwide. Now, the largest market for this product is the UK and then the US. When you think about it, we're the ones who've got the highest digestive problems, especially the US, and metabolic problems, because we're consuming products instead of eating food. How did they manage to get to us to the point that we've stopped eating food and drinking shakes instead? This is what I'm going to tell you, right? And I think it's important to realize. When you eat, the food has to be broken down by your digestive system. So the food enters your stomach and then your body digests it. And to do that, for the digestion to occur, it needs micronutrients. Now, the micronutrients are, the vitamins and minerals to actually help convert the calories from that particular food into energy or tissue. Nature provides those micronutrients naturally. When you buy meat or you buy vegetables, they come with their own micronutrients. But this product doesn't come with the right micronutrients. The micronutrients in here were put together in a lab. Now, your body can break it down, but to do that, it will have to steal the micronutrients from within itself to break down the chemicals that are in this product. The science, the so-called science behind these products are flawed. And I personally know the origins of this product. It came from the fitness industry in the UK, and I'm aware of the people that actually started this. I wouldn't lie, I wouldn't trust them to polish my shoes. Unfortunately, we've become such a lazy nation or lazy society that we want things made for us instantly. When I was younger, when I was trying to bodybuild, when I was looking for a decent protein, I ate eggs, I cooked my own food, and I took it to work with me in like Tupperwares and stuff like that. Most people did. And until these companies came and said, sit back, let's make it for you. They've sold over 500 million of these worldwide. Think about it, over 500 million. How ridiculous is that? That means there are so many people walking around, nonchalantly drinking this, thinking, oh yeah, I've had a meal. You haven't had a meal. Basically what you've done is you put some chemicals inside you. I call myself lucky. And if you drink this and it goes through you, or you have digestive problems, or it makes you feel ill, it means you're lucky. Your body is warning you straight away. Some people are not so lucky. They can drink them on a regular basis and nothing will happen. Then somewhere down the line, it's like,
oh, why have I got this? Why have I got this digestive problems or metabolic problems?
Because you're drinking this nonsense. As human beings, we are supposed to eat animal protein. We are smart enough to realize that if we want protein, we kill another animal, then we eat protein. And then our bodies break that protein down into amino acids to build us muscle or repair tissue. That's it. That's how smart human beings are. At no point did it involve products like this. The first ingredient says pea protein. Please spare me the nonsense. Plants store their mass as carbohydrates. So the protein that is in peas, it's not bioavailable. And the third ingredient is tapioca starch, which is sugar. Tapioca starch is another name for sugar.
100% nutritionally complete, high protein meal.
Nutritionally complete. If you put tapioca starch in anything, which is industrial nonsense, if you put that in any product, it's not food anymore. And then you've got rapeseed oil. We know how bad rapeseed and vegetable oils are for us, seed oils. There's so many ingredients. It's got over 30 ingredients in it. I'm not going to go through all of them. And most of the vitamins and the minerals that have been named here, they're all synthetic. Your body cannot break them down and use it correctly. It says allergy advice may contain mustard. I mean, how? How? It doesn't make any sense. I've just completely lost hope in the fitness industry because this kind of rubbish is being promoted as healthy, and people going down to gyms. You go to gyms, a lot of gyms store them in their, in their fridges, and people finish training and they drink this nonsense. Back in the day, when I started weight training, when I started bodybuilding, we used to go down to the gym. After training, the gym owners used to cook us food. They used to sell jacket potatoes. They used to sell rice. They used to sell lots of chicken and lots of tuna. Every gym sold it. Now there's a kitchen next to inside the gym, a small kitchen. That's where we ate. That was before all this nonsense came about. Nobody drank this. Nobody even thought of this. Then it became a big thing, and these corporations started making these products for us. Now, this is a chemical concoction. In fact, I'd go as far as calling it a potion that has been made in the lab just to take your money. If you're drinking this instead of eating real food, please stop. It's a lie. A few years ago, I was a bodybuilding coach. I trained a lot of people. Thousands of bodybuilders just come to me for me to coach them. And almost every week, a different company approached me and said to me, Eddie, you should come out with the product. You should come out with the product. And one of them would have been similar to this. And I always said, no.
No, you're not business-minded.
No, it's not about being business-minded. I believe in justice, because if I made something that I didn't believe in, if I don't believe in protein powders, they all went right through me. I don't think protein powder itself is food, let alone this. So if I agreed to it and just made it, I'd be just making money at the expense of people's health. And I turned that down. And I'm so glad I did that. So I'm telling you that this is all nonsense. If you want to put your health in danger, drink this. If you don't, and if you want to be healthy, don't just think about aesthetics, how I look, and not worry about your health, because drinking this will catch up with you somewhere down the line. I can smell and taste the chemicals in this. This is a chemical concoction. It's a potion. It's not something that is good for human consumption. Start eating some eggs. Start eating human food, like animal protein that come with its own micronutrients. If you want to know about what to eat to either build muscle, lose body fat, and feel good in general, I've got two videos. One is a 46-minute video and a 15-minute video that you can watch that will educate you.